world facing mounting crises. From climate change to increasing pressure on forests, international cooperation for sustainable land use and food systems has never been more crucial. In this spirit, the UK government and Indonesia have joined forces to promote sustainable commodity trade and strengthen forest protection. What began as cooperation between governments has grown into a global platform that unites producer and consumer countries, aligns priorities, and transforms ambition into measurable results. From developing shared frameworks and tools to advancing transparency and supporting smallholders, each milestone reflects collective progress towards sustainable and inclusive trade. Here is the journey and the progress we've made. 2021 FACT Dialogue launch. Launched at COP26 by the United Kingdom and now co-chaired with Malaysia, the FACT Dialogue unites 28 countries that together account for over 75% of global commodity trade. Its members are committed to protecting forests, advancing sustainable and inclusive production, and fostering stronger collaboration between producer and consumer nations. 2021 Joint Statement endorsed. Since then, FACT has convened 3 in-person forums in London, Indonesia, and Malaysia, transforming commitments into measurable progress. Together, member countries have co-created tools, studies, and approaches that advance sustainable, transparent, and inclusive value chains. 2022 Roadmap for Action defined. Members agreed on a shared plan covering trade and markets, smallholder support, traceability and transparency, and research and innovation. Trade and markets, scoping study, sustainability matrix, and information brief on national assurance schemes such as ISPO and MSPO, presented at the 2024 FACT Forum in Bali. These tools have built a common understanding of sustainability across producer and consumer countries, aligning policies, strengthening inclusivity, and ensuring market recognition for sustainable products. Traceability and transparency. 8 promising approaches by governments, promoting transparent commodity value chains through open-source digital infrastructure, enhancing interoperability, data ownership, and equity while avoiding overburdening smallholders. Smallholder support, case studies across 10 countries. Case studies from Brazil, Cameroon, Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Germany, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Netherlands, Peru, and the United Kingdom illustrate how different countries are putting policy commitments into action. These examples showcase approaches such as concessional financing, land tenure reforms, and inclusive forest programs that aim to strengthen smallholder participation in sustainable supply chains. 2023 First in-person retreat, London. FACT members met face-to-face for the first time to deepen collaboration and define next steps. 2024 FACT Forum, Bali. Members reviewed progress and presented the trade and market scoping study and sustainability matrix, building a common understanding of sustainability. 2025 FACT Forum in Malaysia. Countries showcased national case studies, strengthened traceability frameworks, and advanced smallholder inclusion, moving from dialogue to delivery. Since COP26, over 20 countries have endorsed the joint statement, agreed on a shared roadmap for action, and convened annually, most recently in Malaysia in 2025, to exchange progress and strengthen collaboration. Here at COP30, we celebrate how FACT members are turning dialogue into action, protecting forests, empowering farmers, and advancing fair, sustainable trade.